The reason that apprenticeships was an attractive path for me is because I did an apprenticeship while I was at school, part-time, with Land Rover, and it really showed me that I learnt by doing. And so that's the route that I decided to choose over college or university straight away. I get to apply the things that I learn into the work environment, and I now have a number of responsibilities that I wouldn't have been able to have if I'd gone straight out of university into the workplace.
In terms of career choices for people considering coming into our industry, my advice would be to make a really informed choice. So do your homework, understand all the options that are available to you. The National Apprenticeship Service at apprenticeships.gov.uk are a really good source to tell you not only about engineering apprenticeships, but apprenticeships in general. So make an informed decision to come into engineering and enjoy every moment of it if you do.
I would recommend EEF as a training provider for apprenticeships specifically because it is the manufacturer's organisation. It's got a lot of links to industry, big companies, and it basically puts good people in touch with good companies.
Over the last few years, we've constantly heard that there are skill shortages within engineering, and the way to fill those skill shortages is by recruiting the right talent at an early age through apprenticeships to bring them into the business so that we can make sure that we support and have the right skills in place.
The real benefit to me is that they start with an employer from day one. So it's not like coming out having done your A-levels or having done your degree and then having to try and find an employer. With an apprenticeship, you're married up to an employer from your start date. You then work for that employer whilst you're developing your skills and developing that relationship with your employer. So you don't have to come out of that and then find a job. The apprentice, if they've done well through their apprenticeship training, will automatically go on by almost rite of passage into employment.
I would choose EEF over a normal college because here you get hands-on experience within the workplace. You get to learn the rules of workplace and you get more hands-on experience.
As an apprentice, for me it's a foundation stone. It's like when you're building the house, the first thing you do is you put in the foundations and then you build the bricks on top. That apprenticeship, particularly an engineering apprenticeship, is that foundation to the house. You can then make whatever house you want after that. So you're leaving your options open. You can move into an electrical path, a mechanical path, a non-engineering based discipline in terms of design or development engineering. You can move into a sales role. So it really does set that ability to think in the right way, to problem solve, and so you leave all your options open as an apprentice.